Hi class, today our lesson is on exploring volume. Our learning objective is today I will explore the volume using two systems of measurement. Again, our system measurements are the US customary, that's the standard unit of measure in the United States. And then there's the metric system, that's the international system of measurement. Conversion is to change from one form to another without changing the value. The volume is the amount of space occupied within a three-dimensional object. Here are some notes. So 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So this is liquid ounces, different than the weight ounces that we were just talking about. Again, this word is fluid. I'll rewrite it. It's a little bit messy. Fluid ounces. Okay, our next one is 1 pint equals to 2 cups. 1 quart equals to 2 pints. 1 gallon equals to 4 quarts. And there's a way that we remember this. This is in gallon land, so we draw a big G. There are 4 queens. The big G stands for gallon. The Q's for queens stand for quarts. So in gallon land, there are 4 queens. Each queen has 2 princes. There's a prince, in gallon land, there are 4 queens. Each queen has a prince and a princess. So I have to draw 2 P's inside of each one. And then each prince and princess has 2 children. Okay, again, it is in gallon land. There are 4 queens. Each queen has a prince and a princess, and each prince and princess has 2 cups. Two children, which represents the 2 cups. So 1 gallon, you can see 4 quarts for the Q's. 1 quart, so you just focus on that 1 queen, that 1 quart. You can see that there are 2 pints, and then each pint has 2 cups. You can see that the representing for the children, and then each cup has 8 fluid ounces. And then 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters. And then 1 kiloliter equals to 1,000 liters. Okay, our steps today are identify the measurement system. Then write a conversion chart or diagram, and then convert the units. Okay, I'm getting out my red pen, so you're going to pause and watch. First problem says, how many cups are there in 3 gallons of water? So I need to identify the system. This is the US system. I forgot to mention, so add this into your notes, that this is US and then this is the metric. Okay, getting out that red pen again. Okay, so if I'm using the US, one way to help me is draw out my gallon, my in gallon land. There are 4 queens. Each queen has a prince and a princess, and then each prince and princess has 2 kids. Okay, we're going from gallons to cups. So I see 1 gallon equals to how many cups? 1, 2, that's 2 for just the pint, but we have all of them, so I have to count all of the cups for that gallon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 gallon equals to 16 cups. So we've identified that measurement. We wrote our conversion chart. Now we're going to convert that units. So I have 3 gallons. So I'm going to use my chart. Gallons to cups. 1 gallon equals to 16 cups. 2 gallons, 32 cups. 3 gallons, 48 cups. So 3 gallons equals to 48 cups. Again, to know how many 1 gallon equals to 16 cups, I just count how many C's there were for the entire G. If it was saying 1 quart is how many cups, then I would just look at that 1 quart. Okay, number 2, I need to identify that measurement system. Jose has 2 liters of milk. What is the volume in milliliters? So I am using the metric system, so I need to use this conversion. So 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters. And for some reason, when we abbreviate with the liters, we always capitalize that L. Now I need to write a conversion, which I did. I'm going to need to draw my chart. I have liters to milliliters. 1 liter is 1,000. And then I need to convert my units. So I need to go up to 2 liters of milk. So 2 liters would be 2,000. 2 liters equals to 2,000 milliliters. Okay, you're getting out your pencil. First problem says, if Patty has 24 pints of helium, how many gallons of helium does she have? So I'm dealing with this US, so I need to draw my gallon land. So in gallon land, there are 4 queens. Each queen has a prince and a princess. And each prince and princess has 2 kids, 2 children, so I put C's for those 2 children. Okay, I'm going from pints to gallons. So the pints is represented with P. So I'm looking at the G, so I'm looking at all of them. So 1 gallon equals to, how many P's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pints. So 1 gallon equals to 8 pints. I need to make my conversion chart. Gallons to pints. I have 1 gallon equals to 8 pints. 2 gallons equals to 16 pints. 3 gallons equals to 24 pints. And each time I'm adding 8. So I'm going to stop there because we're only going up to 24 pints. How many gallons is it? It's 3 gallons. So 24 pints equals to 3 gallons. Next problem. Benjamin has 4,000 milliliters of sand. How many liters is this? I'm using the metric system, so I just use that conversion, so I need to write down that I'm using milliliters and liters, so 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. I need to make my conversion chart. Liters to milliliters. 1 liter is 1,000. 2 liters is 2,000. 3 liters is 3,000. 4 liters is 4,000. I'm stopping there because it says to go to 4,000. So 4,000 milliliters equals to 4 liters. You have 2 homework problems and then rate your understanding.